It's April 2013, and we're in Chesapeake Campground. This is like the fourth day here, and the second fire we're gonna start. Yeah, just go on the other. Yeah, that piece sticking up. Oh, forget it. It's lit it off.
It's the wind. It'll catch eventually, it's just the wind. So you had smoking?
Yeah.
And this is my first fire I ever lit. I'm proud of myself. I got that baby started.
Yeah.
First fire we lit the other day was just with pine cones. We didn't have wood.
Pine cones and pine needles and leaves. Like 2 hours worth. And it was still hot the next day, 12 hours later.
And what we have in this fire to start it was newspaper, cardboard boxes from Boga Burgers, a little wood, tea bags, and there's also a couple other things in there, McDonald bags and McDonald papers. We just throw it in the fire. Ain't no sense putting it in the garbage, you might as well burn it. It's called recyclable. This is what you do with fires. You recycle paper, you recycle cardboard. Less trash. When you're camping, not in your yard. If you do it in your yard, make sure you have an open space.
Yeah, don't burn your house or your neighbor's house down.
And there was pine cones all over the premises where the fire ring was. It took us at least an hour and a half to wipe all that out. We had no rake. We used our sneakers, and we used our sneakers and kept clearing it out and made a big circle, cleared it away, and here comes our cat.